pupils, parents, and guardians, let me start by thanking you for being a part of all our remote learning platforms, particularly our television program, The Classroom in Your Home. Each feedback has been awesome. Good job, you. Our teachers have been working assiduously to bridge the learning loss during this critical period. Therefore, I am pleased to inform you that the Classroom in Your Home has been extended to accommodate the lower primary classes and a dedicated lesson to cater for our special needs pupils in line with our mandate of providing an all-inclusive and quality basic education in our dear state. Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At LASUBEB, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.
We will not settle for less. We believe in every child for the best reasons we know, and we believe in awesome pupils like you. And so this program tagged The Classroom in Your Home has been specially designed for you. This program has been packaged by Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, LASUBEB, and this is to ensure that no child is left behind. And this edition is for lower primary classes. With me, I have your favorite teacher. First, Auntie Tinu.
Hello, amazing pupils. I am Auntie Tinu, your mathematics teacher.
Right, and Uncle Sheyi.
Hello, wonderful pupils. I am Uncle Sheyi, and now we'll be taking you through general studies.
Beautiful. And myself, I am Auntie Lola, and I'll be taking you through English studies, which I call communication class. And in trial, we bring you the classroom in your home. Please relax and learn. Children, do you know that the beauty of learning is no one is going to take it away from you? And so, your education is so important to us. You're welcome to our English studies class, which we call communication class. And today, as usual, we'll be looking at another interesting topic, which is sentences. Did I hear you say that? Sentences. Okay, so let's get the correction to our previous homework. I'm sure you're with your book and your pen. Okay, open to the page where you wrote your homework, the last one I gave you, and let's get the correction done. I'm sure you did yours, so let's get the answer. Okay, I told you to choose the correct article that fits in the following sentences. 1, she is an teacher. She is a teacher. Okay. The second one, my grandfather is an old man. You got that too? Give yourself a tick. The third one, what a nice day. The fourth, thank you, I got the parcel. Okay. And the last one, come in, I'm inside the room. Okay, 5 out of 5, beautiful. 4 out of 5, beautiful, and you deserve to be celebrated. Okay, now we move to today's learning objective. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to define sentence. Okay, you should also be able to identify the types of sentences. Are you ready? Let's jump right into the definition of sentence. Okay, so what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that give a complete meaning and make sense. I'll take that again. A sentence is a group of words that give a complete meaning and make sense. So you're writing a sentence and it's giving you a complete meaning. It's making sense to you. It is sure a sentence. Okay, so what of a complete sentence? A complete sentence is a group of words joined together to make sense. You're reading a story, you're reading a line, and it sure makes sense to you. It is a complete sentence. Let's look at the example of a complete sentence. The pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. It sure makes sense, right? Yes. Another example, I passed my exams. I passed my exams sure is complete and it makes sense. Okay, are you following? Now, when it comes to an incomplete sentence, we said a complete sentence, of course, when we have them, it makes sense. What of incomplete sentence? A group of words that do not make sense. When you're reading a sentence and you feel this thing is not complete, something is missing, yes, it is an incomplete sentence. What do I mean? Look at this example, my friend. On the floor. What is on the floor? I don't know. Of course, if someone tells you on the floor, you would ask, what is on the floor? What am I looking at on the floor? Is there dirt there? Is there water there? Of course, that sentence is so incomplete. Okay? With him. What is with him? Money? Book? I don't even know. It won't make sense to you, right? It is so incomplete. Also, okay, so sentence we've been looking at comes in different form. Okay? It comes in different form. It can come in form of question. Okay? It can come in form of command. Okay, it can come in form of exclamation. It can even come in form of opinion. Okay, do you know that these forms have their names? Okay, it has a specific name we regard them as. So we'll be looking at two of those forms today, and in our next lesson we will continue. Are you with me? Okay, types of sentences. The first one we'll be looking at is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. What do I mean? It is a sentence that makes a statement. A statement and ends with a period. A period, I say, is a full stop. Just a statement. We'll be looking at some of those examples of such statements. Don't let it be a big deal to you. I want to be a good writer. It's a statement. You're telling someone something you want to become, okay? And it ends with a period. That is a period which is full stop. Another example, my friend is a really good writer. My friend is a really good writer. Of course, you're saying that statement to someone, okay? And it ends with a what? With a period. That is declarative sentence. Declare a statement. The second type of sentence we will be looking at is imperative sentence. Can you repeat that with me, children? Imperative sentence. The first one I said is declarative sentence. Again, declarative sentence. Beautiful. And the second one is what? Imperative sentence. So let us look at imperative sentence meaning. They are sentences that make a request. You make a request, a command, and end with a period or exclamation mark. I'll take that again. Declarative sentence are sentences that make a request. You make a request, a command, okay, and end with a period or even an exclamation mark. An example to that. Come back here. Of course, when you hear that statement, it comes as a what? As a command. Beautiful. Come back here. Okay. And of course, that is exclamation mark. Of course, exclamation mark makes us know that it's not said as a statement like, come back here, right? So that is that. And another example, leave here now. Leave here now. Of course, it's a what? It's a command. It's a command. That is that on declarative sentence. Okay, another sentence we will be looking at is interrogative sentence. I'm sure you're following and you can still recall what we've been talking about. Okay, for the types of sentence, I said declarative sentence. Okay, beautiful. Another one, imperative sentence. And this one is what? Interrogative sentence. Again, children, interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence are sentences that ask questions, okay, and end with question marks. Ask questions, and of course the way we can know that is question mark. Let's look at some of that example. The first one, what do you want? How do we know that this sentence is an interrogative sentence? Because of the mark, which is what? Question mark. Children, this is question mark. Well, let me show you. If you do not know, this is question mark here. Have you seen that? That is a question mark. That is a question mark. And the next one, where are you going? Where are you going? Also ends with question mark. Okay, are you following? Okay, to your assignment, children, put this down quickly. If you have a phone to capture it, it's a lot easier. But I'll be giving you a few minutes to put it down. But let me read it out first. Identify the following sentences as imperative, declarative, or interrogative sentence. 1. I will be going to my village by December. 2. Where is your father? 3. Shut up. 4. Close your eyes and raise your hands. Okay, I'll be giving you 20 seconds to capture that, and your time starts now. Okay, welcome back. And now we move to our next segment, which is letter of the week. The letter of the week. The letter of the week. The letter of the week is letter M. Sounds Are you repeating? Letter M sounds You see the way I did my mouth, right? Beautiful. So let us look at the alphabet story. Letter M with its sound Let us look at the story. My mom. I see my mom all the time. I see her in the morning. I see her at every meal. I may see her most the time, but I still miss her. She walks up the mountain with me. She looks at the moon with me. She watches the monkeys with me. She makes models with me. She does many things with me. But I still want to do more. So touching. I'm sure you love your mother. I do. I do also. So let us quickly do this brain work. Sorry. Because we still have to circle out the words that my pen. Okay. We want to circle out the words that have the sound in them. Okay, let's start. This is my. This is mom. Okay. This is morning. Another one. This is. Okay, there is one here. Time. Beautiful. Thank you so much. I almost missed that, right? Okay, this is another one. Meal. Meal. Another one. May. Okay. Most. We've circled out time before, right? Okay. Auntie Lola, I'm seeing another one. Yeah, Miss. Another one. Okay, I can see that also. Mountain. Have you circled out me before? No, we've not circled it. We've not. Okay, me. What about moon? Okay, that is moon. Monkeys. Makes. Beautiful. I'm proud of you. Models. So much. We have a lot of words that have. That is many. Okay, and more. Have I touched everything? Okay, I think I've been able to circle out most of the words that have in them. Beautiful. So let us move to more examples. Okay, as in meal. This looks so inviting. That is meal. Okay. As in drum. Of course, that is the picture of a drum, right? Beautiful. As in mango. We are not yet in mango season, right? But that is mango. Okay. As in mathematics. Okay. Mathematics and Titino's class, right? Yes. Okay. And that is how far we can go for today. I had fun. Seriously. I'm sure you had fun also. From the definition of sentence to types of sentence, we're able to touch 3 types of sentences today. Okay. And also to the letter of the week, which is sound. As usual, today is a new day. Learn something new. It is time for our mathematics class, and it is with Auntie Tinu. See you.
Welcome to today's mathematics class. When I say mathematics time, you say fun time. Mathematics time, fun time. And like always, today's mathematics class promises to be fun. I am Auntie Tinu, and today I will be teaching ordering whole numbers with symbols. Ordering whole numbers with symbols. But first of all, our homework correction. Let's get the correction to the previous homework. Expand these numbers and find place value of the underlined numbers. Yes, we have expanded. Remember from our last lesson, I told you, you will place them under the thousand, hundred, tens, and units. We have 1, 5, 8, 7. Yes, then we can write it out. We have 7,850. Sorry. 50 and 1. From there, I was able to expand. My expansion form is 7,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 1. And with that, it's very easy to get the place value. Yes, 7 is under the thousands column, 8 is under the hundreds column, 5 is under the tens column, and 1 is under the ones or units column. And what was my underlined number? 7. So what is the place value of 7 in that number? It's 7,000 or thousands. Are we together? Yes, together we are. 4, 5, 6, 2. I've expanded. I have 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 2. Yes, we have 4 under thousands, 5 under hundreds, 6 under tens, and 2 under units. And my underlined number was number 6. And 6 is under the tens column. Did you get the 2 sums correctly? Good job, you. Let's roll it up for ourselves. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, and let it go. You are great. You are great. Awesome. Yes. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson today, you should be able to use the greater than symbol correctly. You should be able to use the less than symbol correctly. And you should be able to use the equal to symbol correctly. Are you ready? Because I am ready, and I believe you are ready too. What do I require from you today, or what do I need you to do today? I need your 100% attention and your full focus. Make sure you focus on your television and watch the board carefully. Yes. Ordering whole numbers. Ordering whole numbers. Ordering whole numbers can also be called comparing numbers. Yes. We use the following symbols when comparing numbers. We have 1, the greater than, your right hand, greater than, very good, yes. Then we have the less than with your left hand, less than, greater than, less than, greater than, less than, yes. Then we have the equal to, yes. Greater than, your right hand, greater than, yes. Greater than simply means bigger or more than. Bigger or more than, yes. It is denoted or represented with the symbol. Can you see the symbol? Yes, do the sign with me. Do it with your hands. Your right hand this way. Yes, it is denoted with this symbol. Very good. That is it. Greater than. So anywhere you see this symbol from henceforth, you know it is greater than. It is the greater than symbol. The greater than symbol points to the right. That's why I said your right hand points to the right. Yes, the symbol always points to the number that is smaller. The symbol always points to the number that is smaller. Remember, when I ask you which one is greater than, you will tell me the bigger number or the bigger object is greater than the smaller. So that symbol always points to the smaller number or objects. Examples: which is bigger, which is greater, which is more. Let's see. Yeah, I have toys on the board. These are some toys, and these are also some toys. We want to know which is greater. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is greater? 15 is bigger, is more, and is greater than 5. So we say 15 toys are greater than 5 toys. So these are greater than that. Yes. There is a much simpler and faster way to write it. Yes. Let's see. So simple, we can say these 15 toys are greater than 5 toys. Immediately you see this sign, or immediately anybody sees this sign, they know that you are trying to tell them that these are greater. And remember, it is pointing to the smaller objects. It is pointing to the smaller objects. It points to the right and to the smaller objects. Don't forget. Yes, now 199. 199, which is bigger, which is greater? 100 is greater than 99. So that is why my arrow is pointing to the right and is pointing to 99, which is the smaller number. Are we together? Yes. 595 and 559. 590 is greater than 550. are we together? So 595 is greater than 559. My arrow is pointing to the right and it's pointing to the lesser number. Yes. Less than. Less than. Less than means smaller or little. Smaller or little. It's denoted or represented with the symbol this with your left hand. Do this with me. Yes. It's denoted with that symbol. Remember, the less than symbol points to the left. Points to the left. Also, the symbol always points to the smaller number. Just like in the case of greater than, it always points to the lesser number. Examples, which is lesser? Yes, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencils, and here I have so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Yes, I have 10 pencils and I have 34 pencils. Which is lesser? Yes, 10 is smaller. 10 is little than 34. Yes, so 10 pencils are lesser than 34 pencils. There is a much simpler and faster way to write it. All you need is just to put your less than symbol. Yes, it points to the left and it points to the smaller number. Yes, this is 10, this is 34. It points to the left and to the smaller number. 10 is smaller than 34. It points to the left and it points to the smaller number. Yes. Cupcakes. Yes, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 cupcakes. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, and here I have 30 cupcakes, which is lesser. Yes, 14 is lesser or less than 30. So my less than symbol is pointing to 14 because it's the lesser number, and it points to the left. Are we together? Yes, together we are. 45 and 125. 45, 125. 45 is lesser, so my less than symbol points to the left and is pointing to the lesser number. 45 is less than 125. 404 and 440. 404 and 440. 404 is less than 440. So my arrow points to 404 to show that it's less than 440. Equal to. Now do this way. Equal to. Say that with me. Equal to. Yes. Equal to means the same. Equal to means the same. It's denoted or represented with the symbol this, your hands together. Just like I told you in parallel lines. Two lines facing each other but not meeting. Yes, equal to. Are we together? Yes. Examples. I have lollipops. Yes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it means this lollipops on the left is the same as the lollipops on the right. The numbers of lollipops on the left is the same as the numbers of lollipops on the right. There's a much faster and simpler way to write it. Yes. we can easily say the lollipops on the left equal to the lollipops on the right. The numbers of lollipops on the left equals the numbers of lollipops on the right. Yes. 10 plus 10 equal 40 minus 20. Is that true? Let's see. 10 plus 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Now let's see. 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20. Yes. 0 take away 0 is 0. 4 take away 2 is 2. So 40 minus 20 is 20. So is that true? Let's see. 20 equal to 20. Yes, it's correct. So 10 plus 10 is 20 and 40 take away 20 is 20. So it means that the addition on the left hand side equal to the subtraction on the right hand side. The answer is the same. 10 plus 10 is 20 and 40 take away 20 is 20. So it's the same. That is why I said 10 plus 10 equal 40 minus 20. 500 is equal to 600 minus 100. Is that true? Let's see. 600 take away 100. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 600 take away 100 gives us 500. So, it's true. 500 is equal to 600 minus 100. Why? Because when you take away 100 from 600, you get 500. So, it's equal to. Yes. More examples. Put the greater than, less than, and equal to where necessary. Put greater than, less than, equal to where necessary. Now let's do it together. 254, 542. 254, 542. Remember 200, 500. It means that 254 is less than 542. Yes, let's see. Good. Less than points to the smaller number and points to the left. Less than 254 is the smaller number, so we'll say it's less than the bigger number. Remember, less than sign points to the left and points to the smaller number. Yes, now 776 and 667. 700, when counting our numbers, we get to 600 before 700. That means 700 is bigger, is more, is greater than 667. So we put the greater than sign. Remember, points to the right and points to the smaller number. Points to the right and points to the smaller number. Now 25 dash 5 times 5. What is 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is 25. So what symbol will be there? Good job, you. Yes, equal to 25 equal 5 times 5. Why? Because 5 times 5 equal 25. Yes. Now do this. Yippee! How well have you been following today's lesson? Show me with your evaluation. Yes. Evaluation time, assessment time. Assessment time is classwork time. Put greater than, less than, equal to where necessary. 3 times 3 dash 19 minus 10. 886 dash 688. 177 dash 771. You have 1 minute to quickly find answers and your time starts now. Hands down, so simple. It's 1 minute and it's time up. So simple. Yes, let's quickly find answers. 3 times 3 equal 19 equals to 19 minus 10. Is that true? 3 times 3 is 9 and 19 take away 10 is 9. So it's true. 3 times 3 is equal to 19 take away 10. Yes. 886 and 688. 886 is greater than, it points to the right and it points to the smaller number. Yes, 886 is greater than 688. 177 and 771. Yes, 177 is less than 771. Remember, less than points to the left and points to the lesser number or smaller number. Did you get the 3 sums correctly? You deserve a cheer. Good job, you are awesome. Yes. Assignment. Remember, you must do Auntie Tinu's homework. Put greater than, less than, or equal to where necessary. Put greater than, less than, and equal to where necessary. You have 20 seconds to capture this homework down, and your time starts now. Pens down, eyes on me. It's 20 seconds and it's time up. Yes, remember to do your homework and submit in time so that, yes, you know it, so that you can win a pack of Good Life Magic Juice. It's no secret again. I know you love it and I love it too. Good job, you. And that's it for today. We have come to the end of another amazing mathematics class. But it's almost general studies time with Uncle Sheyi. Don't go away. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are trying. So when next you make a mistake, don't be confused, don't get angry. Just know that you are trying. Bye-bye.
Hello, wonderful pupils. You're welcome to another exciting segment of the program, The Classroom in Your Home. I am your teacher, Uncle Sheyi, and today I will be teaching you balanced diet. Food, yummy, balanced diet. But before we go into today's class, before we go into today's lesson, let's have correction to our previous assignment. In our last class, you were asked to define length. What is length? Length is the distance from one point of an object to another. Length is the distance from one point of an object to another. I know you will definitely get that correctly. So you deserve a cheer. Well done, beautiful. Okay, so today we are looking at balanced diet. And by the end of the lesson, you should be able to define balanced diet. You should be able to list the 6 classes of food, and also you should be able to identify examples of some of the classes of food. Okay, should be able to identify some examples of some of the classes of food. Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet is the food that contains different classes of food in the right proportion. A balanced diet is the food that contains different classes of food in the right proportion. Wonderful pupils, we all need to eat balanced diet, okay? We all need to eat healthy foods, all right? Yummy. As you can see on the screen, different classes of food. I like the table. I know you do also. All right, a balanced diet should contain various nutrients which perform different functions in the body. So when you eat balanced diet, there are different nutrients that you will get from it, and they will perform different functions in your body. Okay? Now for a food or for a diet to be balanced, there must be the 6 classes of food. The 6 classes of food must be present in a diet for it to be what? Balanced. All right? And when we say diet, diet can also mean food. Okay? Okay, diet, food. All right, now let's look at the 6 classes of food. Let's look at them. There are 6 in number, and number 1 is protein. Okay, can you pronounce that? Protein. Yes, protein. And what are the examples of protein? Can get protein from egg, from fish, from milk, from beans, and so many others. Okay, can get protein from which type of food? From egg, from beans, from milk, from fish, and meat. And as a matter of fact, this is to appeal to our parents that feel that children doesn't need to eat meat. Please, children need to eat a lot of meat and fish, okay? Because it helps them to grow well. All right? Beautiful. Another class of food that we will be looking at is carbohydrates. Now, children, I want you to pronounce it because I have heard so many of you pronounce it as carbohydrates. It is not carbon, it is carbohydrate, okay? And what are the examples of carbohydrates? You have rice. I know some of you will like eating rice. Rice, yam, maize, bread, potato, and so many others, okay? Carbohydrates. Can you give me examples of carbohydrates? Rice, yes. Potato, yes. Yam, yes. Maize, beautiful. And bread, well done. Okay, we have looked at protein, carbohydrates. Let's go to another class of food. Vitamin. Say vitamin. Vitamin. All right. And what are the examples of vitamin? You have vegetables. Pronounce that. Vegetables. Okay. Banana, orange, and apple. Okay, they are very nutritious, especially vegetables, very nutritious. So examples of vitamin: vegetables, banana, orange, apple. Well done. Now to the next class of food that we will be looking at: fat and oil. Pronounce that. Fat and oil. Say that after me. Fat and oil. Well done. Okay. And what are the examples of fat and oil? Your palm oil, your vegetable oil, butter, and cheese. Yes, cheese. I love cheese. Yes, fat and oil. So examples of fat and oil: palm oil, vegetable oil, butter, and cheese. Okay. So far we've been able to mention 4. We have protein, meat, egg, okay, carbohydrates, rice, yam, potato, okay, vitamin, vegetables, yes, fruits, oranges, all right, and fat and oil. Under fat and oil, we give examples of vegetable oil, palm oil, cheese. Well done. All right, the 5th one, mineral salt. Mineral salt is also a class of food that is needed by our body for us to grow well. And what are the examples of mineral salts? We have the table salt, okay, the table salt that you use in cooking, mushrooms, nuts, and crab. Yeah, crab is also rich in mineral salt. Okay, now to the last class of food, which is what? Water. Okay, water. Can you name the 6 classes now? Carbohydrates, protein, vitamin, fat and oil, mineral salts, and water. Well done. Beautiful. Let's look at the importance of balanced diet. Okay, what are the importance of balanced diet? All right, a balanced diet helps us grow well. When you eat balanced diet, you will grow well. You will grow tall, your bones will be strong, okay? You will grow well. So it is important that you eat balanced diet. Also, balanced diet will help your body to fight diseases. It will help your body to fight germs, okay? Balanced diet will help your body to fight diseases and germs, all right? Okay, so when you eat balanced diet, you will not fall sick often. All right, a balanced diet nourishes the skin, okay? A balanced diet nourishes the skin. When you take balanced diet, your skin will glow. No, it will be very smooth, okay? So please, children, ensure you take balanced diet. Balanced diet will also increase your body immune system. Like I said earlier, you won't be falling sick. Your body will be strong. Your immune system will be strong because the balanced diet, you've taken enough nutrients for your body to fight diseases, and you will take less of pills. You won't have any reason to be taking drugs all time, okay? Number 5, a balanced diet gives us energy to work, okay? When you take balanced diet in the morning before you get to school, by the time you start doing your classwork, you will have the energy to work. You will have the energy to do different tasks at the same time, okay? And when we say balanced diet, let me give you a very good example. When you want to eat rice, you just don't take rice and stew. You take rice with other classes. Like when you take rice, you take it with vegetable, you take it with meat or fish, and you take water. That is a balanced diet. To even add to it, you can take it with plantain, fried plantain. That is a balanced diet. And when you eat rice in the morning, when you want to eat in the afternoon, you eat something else, okay? That will make you grow well and your skin would glow, okay? Now you can pick your pen and open your books and let's write, okay? Question number 1, a dash is food that contain different classes of food in their right proportion. A dash is food that contain different classes of food in their right proportion. And what is that? A balanced diet, okay? I know you got that correctly, so give a tick. Number 2, meat, fish and milk are examples of which class of food? Meat, fish and milk are examples of which class of food? Have you put down your answer? Okay, protein. Protein is the correct answer. If you got that too correctly, give a tick. Number 3, palm oil and vegetable oil are examples of dash. So plantain, palm oil and vegetable oil are examples of which class of food? Have you written your answer? Okay, do that quickly, All right, and the correct answer is fat and oil. Fat and oil. Fat and oil. All right, the last question. A balanced diet improves our immune system. Is that a true or a false statement? A balanced diet improves our immune system. Is that a true or a false statement? Of course, it is a true statement. Did you get 5 out of 5? Did you get 4 out of 5? Or did you get 3 out of 5? You deserve a chair. Deserve a chair. Well done. Well done. Beautiful. Okay. Let's have our assignments. Open your books and write this question down. Name the 6 classes of food. Very simple. Name the what? The 6 classes of food. All right, have you done that? Now to our favorite segment of the program. Did you know? 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 All right, I am excited. And our question is a simple question. And what is our question? Who is the richest man in Africa? I know you also want to be rich. Yes. But who is the richest man in Africa at present? Should I give you a clue? The person is actually a Nigerian. He's a Nigerian. Yes. Okay. The person is Alhaji Aliko Dangote. Alhaji Aliko Dangote is a Nigerian and he is a businessman. He is very rich and he is the richest man in Africa. Okay? In fact, at present, he's currently building a refinery in Lagos State. Yeah. So if they ask you next time that who is the richest man in Africa, he is Alhaji Aliko Dangote. Okay? And it is on this note that I will be calling it a day on this program, The Classroom in Your Home for General Studies. Okay? Did you have a good time with me? Yes, I had a great time. I had a wonderful time teaching you today. Until next time that I will be seeing you again, Uncle Sheyi says, be good. Ciao, ciao.
Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At LASUBEB, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.
Today's lesson was awesome, interesting, and educative. Uncle Sheyi, do you agree with me on that?
Yeah, I can agree with you on that because I had a great time teaching the pupils today. And I must commend them for their prompt response in submitting their homeworks and sending their comments. Well done, pupils. Well done.
Yes, Auntie Tinu, Uncle Sheyi, I also noticed that some of our pupils do not have access to this program. Why? Due to power outage. But you can go to our Facebook page, Lagos SUBEB Facebook page. I repeat, Lagos SUBEB Facebook page and watch it. Peradventure you have a phone, you have access to your parent phone, or you have a laptop, you can do so.
Yes, don't forget to send in your comments, your homework and question to the number on the screen, 08150865663. Remember, SMS and WhatsApp messages only. Do not call. At any time, you can send in comments, questions, and any other thing you want us to do on the show. And we will definitely get back to you. Do you love your family and friends? If you love your family and friends, you must stay safe for them and for you especially. To stay safe for everyone you love.
Wash your hands regularly.
Practice social distancing.
Eat lots of fruits. Do lots of exercises. Rest well. Do your homework. Very important. And above all, stay safe. Till we come your way next lesson, remember at LASUBEB,
we'll leave no child behind.